In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate page in Wix Editor 2026 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a safe copy of your existing work so you can experiment, make updates, or spin up variations without touching the original. This method starts from your Wix dashboard and is quick, reliable, and perfect for testing new ideas. First, head to the Sites area in your Wix account. This is the central hub where all your projects live. If you're not already on the Sites view, navigate there from your Wix Studio dashboard. Think of this page as your library. Every site you manage appears here, each with its own card and options. Next, locate the site you want to duplicate. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one, especially if you manage multiple sites or versions. Duplicating creates a complete copy, so your original remains untouched. This is ideal for building a staging version, trying a new theme, or preparing a seasonal update without disrupting your live experience. Now, look for the three dots on the site's card. This is the More Actions menu. Clicking it reveals additional options that aren't immediately visible on the card itself. If you don't see the three dots at first glance, hover over the card. They typically appear in the top corner. From that menu, choose Duplicate Site. Wix will begin creating a full copy of your site, including your pages, layouts, design system, and most installed apps. Depending on the size of your site, this may take a short moment. When it's done, you'll see a new site in your list. It usually carries the original name with a suffix indicating it's a copy, making it easy to spot. A few helpful notes as you work with the duplicate. The copied site is independent of the original, so changes in one won't affect the other. This makes it perfect for redesigns, content overhauls, or A/B testing. Keep in mind that premium plans, connected domains, and some external integrations don't transfer automatically. Those are tied to specific sites and can be configured later on the duplicate as needed. If you use databases or dynamic content, the structure will copy, but always review your collections and permissions to ensure everything behaves as expected. That's it. Simple, clean, and safe. You've duplicated your work from the site's view, giving yourself a sandbox to build confidently. When you're ready, open the duplicated site and continue customizing with peace of mind, knowing your original stays exactly as it is.